Did you know that Medusa wasn't born a monster? She was actually a beautiful priestess who served Athena in her sacred temple. But one day, something terrible happened that would change her life forever. Poseidon, the powerful god of the sea, forced himself on Medusa inside Athena's holy temple. You'd think Athena would punish Poseidon for this horrible crime, right? Wrong. Instead, she blamed Medusa for letting it happen in her temple. As punishment, Athena turned Medusa's beautiful hair into venomous snakes and cursed her so that anyone who looked at her would turn to stone. Medusa became the monster everyone feared, forced to live alone while Poseidon faced no consequences. When Perseus later killed Medusa, he was called a hero. But think about it, he killed a victim who had already suffered enough. This ancient story shows how victim blaming has existed for thousands of years. The next time you hear about Perseus the hero, remember Medusa's real story. She wasn't the villain, she was the victim who got blamed for her own assault.